Seasons by Neil Morris. Four seasons. The weather is different all over the world, and it changes everywhere at different times of the year. But most places have a particular kind of weather at certain times. We call these times seasons. There are four seasons: spring, summer, autumn, and winter. In summer, it is usually warm and dry, but in winter, it is cold and wet. Spring and autumn have weather that is somewhere in between. Why are there seasons? Planet Earth is constantly traveling through space, circling our very own star, the Sun. The hot sun gives us our light, heat, and energy. It takes a year for Earth to travel around the Sun. As the year passes, different parts of Earth turn more directly towards the Sun. Then they turn away again and get less direct sunlight. This is what causes our seasons. Spring is here. Spring is the season between winter and summer. Everyone looks forward to springtime. This is when the days start to get longer and the sun climbs higher in the sky each day. In spring, birds build their nests and lay eggs, and sheep give birth to their lambs. The warmer days make plants start to grow and trees suddenly burst into bud. Before long, they are covered in colorful blossom. It's summertime. Summer is the hottest part of the year. This is because the sun is higher in the sky and shines down more directly. As well as being hot, summer days are longest. At the height of summer, it stays light for longer than any other time of year, and the mild nights are very short. Autumn leaves. The autumn season follows summer. The weather starts getting cooler and wetter again, and the days get shorter. The leaves on many trees lose their green color and turn yellow, orange, and even bright red. Then they drop to the ground, which is why in America this season is called the fall. Cold winter. Winter is the coldest time of year. The sun stays low in the sky all day, so that even on a fine day it is not very warm. The shortest day of the year is right in the middle of winter. Many parts of the world have snow in wintertime. Snow, ice, and cold days make it difficult for animals to find food, so some of them hibernate and sleep through until spring. The farming year. Farmers follow the changing weather of the seasons. In spring, they plow their fields before planting the seeds that will grow into crops. Lambs and many other baby animals are born in springtime. Crops may need extra water in summer, and by autumn they are ready to be harvested. This is a very busy time for farmers. Then in winter, they plan and prepare for next spring. Upside down seasons. When the top half of the world, called the northern hemisphere, is tilted towards the sun, it is summer there. At the same time, the bottom half, or southern hemisphere, is tilted away, so there it is winter. When it is cold and wintry in Europe or North America, it is warm and summery in Australia or South America. Here we have some information about the tropics, and we're not going to get into that too much. And here we have some information about the North Pole and the South Pole, where seasons are quite different. But we're not going to focus on that either. Here we are looking at animals and peoples who have different seasons. And here we have some celebrations of people who celebrate a little differently than we do here in the United States. You can try making a map of your garden to track the seasons. There's a glossary of terms. The end.